Hey guys, good morning. Let me share my screen. What we need to discuss? First function already completed, right? Okay. And remaining functions we need to discuss now. Okay. First function is completed, right? Okay. And quite opposite of first function is called as last function. Suppose, for example, this last function also we can apply it in table matrix visual only. Understand? See here in this matrix visual, okay. See here, this is the first function, right? Always in each and every category, what is the first value is there that it will be displayed. Okay. Same thing, last function. Last function means in this matrix visual, how you can apply this one? Click on three dot buttons and click on new visual calculation and click on custom. Okay. And here itself, last function. Last. On which column you want to apply that one? Suppose I want to apply it on sum of sales column. So in this matrix visual, which columns are there? Those columns only you can use it. You cannot use the data set columns. In the matrix visual, what columns are there? Those columns only you can use that one. Comma, rows. Okay. Same. Lowest parent. Understand clearly now? Now see here. Last. Okay. Do you see? What is the last function in sum of sales? In each and every category. This is the one, right? Here, this is the one. So that is the value it is repeating. Did you see here? Did you observe this one? What values are displayed in sum of sales? What is the last value in each and every category? That value will be displayed here. Understand clearly? Na? Next one is, next one is, okay. Key filters is similar like a filter function. We discussed filter function, right? Similar like filter function, key filter. That means if you want to write a condition or something, then we have to use key filters only. Understand clearly enough? Okay. Next one is look up. Look up. Okay. What this function will do means, okay. Let's see what it will do. I will tell you. See, so here in lookup, we already discussed the lookup value function. What that will do, if you want to get the column from another data set, then lookup value function is the use. But here this lookup is any specific category. Okay. Suppose for example, bikes are there. Bikes related total amount, whatever it is there, bikes related. Did you see? Category is equal to bikes. Okay, under that sales amount, what it is there for this particular bike? So what is the sales amount is there? 94,620. That is what it is displaying. You understand what I'm saying? See, this is column name in the matrix. In that column, what value that you need to write it here. Okay. And here, which column, which cell value, which column, which cell value you want, you write that column name here. Understand clearly, you know? Now, what will happen in that? First, it will check this one. Okay, under the category column, the what wherever bikes are there, for bikes related, what is the sales amount it is there, this is the one, that value will be displayed. Understand clearly or not? Is that clear or not? Okay, let's see. Understand? See here, look up here. Which column? Sum of profit column. Directly you can write the column. Okay, comma, comma, and column name. Year column, can I write like year column is equal, sorry, comma 2013. Can we write like this or not? What is the meaning of this one? In year column 2013 related, what is the total sum of profit values are there, that it will be displayed. This is the value, right? Understand clearly? No? See here. Is it error it is throwing? Why it is throwing error? You have to give in the double quotes, huh? See here. See this one. See here. For this particular country column, what is the country name? Germany. Germany related sum of COGS. What is the value is there? This is the value, right? That value only. Vijay, I have a doubt here. Here that is executed. Same thing I'm executing here, but it will throw us an error. Why? Because you will have only one category. But here it is, how many categories are there? Two different categories. That means under country, another years are there. It is not accepted. Only one category will be accepted. Understand? Suppose if you remove the years and you will see whatever country value, then that particular function will work. You understand what I'm saying? See here. Suppose here there are two categories are there in the rows. One is country and the one is years. Okay. For one category only, that particular lookup value function will work. Here, if you remove the year and you can specify any country related value, then it will work. Understand clearly? If you want, you can check it also. Understand? See here. Suppose, for example, I'm not placing here. I'm removing only one category. Now you will see one category. Now you can apply that particular function, any of the country value, then that related total profit, it will show us here. Understand clearly? 100% it will work. If you want, you can check it also. Here. Understand clearly? Is that clear? Is that clear or not? Is that clear or not? This is what lookup value function. Understand clearly or not? Okay. Lookup with totals means, okay. Lookup with total. This is also new function. It is added in this particular one. Okay. See here. Suppose, for example, this is lookup with total. What will happen here? Here, okay. So whatever mentioned here, what is that one? Sales amount. And fiscal year is FY 2018. Did you see? FY 2018 related, what are all the sales amount it is there that it will be displayed here. Remaining related, did you see? Did you get anything on that one? No. Understand clearly. For this one, it is showing blank. Why? Because here I'm giving FY 2018. Understand clearly? Is that clear or not? Like this. Let's see how it will work and everything. Suppose, for example, in this one, uh, okay. Now, see here, I'm applying what is that one is custom lookup. This is category, multiple categories, it is applied here. Understand or not? Previously, lookup having only one row category only, it will be there, and then you can apply. But in lookup with total, it will we have like more than one category. Okay. In any of the category you can mention. Let's see how I applied this particular one. Okay. And here, uh, sum of profit, comma, year, comma, 2013. Can I give like this? Can I give like this? Let's see. Hey, what is this here? Maybe need to give like um it's what we need to do is VTT. I don't know. Here also, no? Do you see here? What is that one? For Canada, what is the value it is? Did you see? 3529, that value only it will display here, right? Understand clearly or not? Same thing. Don't- Understand clearly. For Canada, what is the value is there in the sum of profit? Okay. That value will be displayed. What is the total value of this particular one? That value will be displayed. What is the total value of complete Canada value? 3529,228.29. That is the value it will display. Understand clearly or not? If you want, you can check it here. Understand clearly or not? Okay. Next one is, okay, most of the times this is functions are not required to use. Lookup value we already discussed, right? Okay, related and lookup value. We discussed the both, right? Actually, related is there. Lookup value is here it is then. But both are similar type. So that's the reason I'm explaining there itself. Okay. Next one is moving average. Very important. First of all, I will explain you in the Excel what is moving average. Okay. Suppose, see here. Here, what is the meaning of moving averages? See here. In moving average, okay, what you need to write? Suppose 4 or 2. 2 I am giving rows. This is the syntax. What is this one? Moving average means whichever columns we mention, in that columns only, okay, how many number of rows you mention, up to those rows, the average will be calculated. Understand clearly? See here, not two, I'm giving 3 here. Okay, you will have a full clarity on this one. Now see here, moving, see here. Now what will happen is, in the sales column, this is the sales column, right? In this sales column, Okay. For every 3 rows, it will calculate average. Understand? Suppose, for example, first one, what is that one? What is the average value it is? For one, the same value will be displayed. Means 1. Okay. When it comes to 2 here, what it will happens here? What it will happens here means, see here. Actually, 2 plus previous value. What is the previous value? And 2 plus 1 divided by 2. How many records are there? 2 records. That means with the first 2 rows, you need to calculate average. Understand or not? That means what is that one? 1.5, right? Understand or not? Okay. When it comes to 3, okay, 3 average values, it will be calculated. That means 3 plus 2 plus 1 divided by 3. Okay. 6 divided by 3. How much it is? 6 divided by 3. 3. In which school you are studying here? Huh? 2 it is. Understand clearly or not? Okay. Now, from now onwards, once the first three rows are completed, you understand first 3 values? First value as it is. Second value plus first value. Third value, first 3 values. Like that it will become. After 3 values, okay, after third value, every 3 rows only it will calculate average. Understand? That means if I want to calculate for this particular average means, what is that one? Previous 3 rows. What are those values? 4, 3, only 3 considered. After 3 rows onwards, every time only 3 rows only it will consider. Understand? Current value, previous 2 value. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 divided by 3. How much it is? 3 it is. Understand clearly enough. When it comes to here, suppose for example, having some spaces there. Now, if it comes here, what is the average? See here. What are the values are average? 5 plus 4 plus 3. Only 3 because I mentioned 3 only, right? That's the reason. If you mention 4, it will consider 4 records. If you can mention 5, 5. Based on the number you are giving here, it will calculate that. Understand clear? Okay. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 divided by 3. How much it is? 4 it is. Understand clearly or not? Huh? Next, what is that one? 5. Next one, 6. Next one, 7. Next one, 8. Next one, 9. Is that clear or not? Is that correct or not? Huh? Understand clearly or not? That is what. Is that clear or not? This is what moving average will be calculated. Understand clearly or not? Any doubts in this one? Okay. Next. What is the next one? See here. Same here also I am trying to implement, but here too much of, okay. So let's check it once. Again, new custom column, custom, moving average, moving average, moving average. What is that one? Column name you have to mention. What is that one? Sale price. Okay. Comma 3, comma rows. No. Did you see? Did you see? Moving average is calculated. See here? No. See here. Here, what will happen? See here. First value, as it is first value displayed or not. When it comes to second value, what it will happen? The previous value plus current value divided by 2. What is that one? Something 2397, something like that. Okay. When it comes to here, this value plus this value plus this value divided by 3. This is what it is showing here. When it comes to here, only 3 values are considered because three rows I mentioned. If you give 4 rows it will come. If you give 5 rows related one. Understand clearly or not? Moving average always depends upon this number. It will calculate average. You understand or not? That's the reason these are very big values. So that's the reason you don't understand. Okay. So I explained in Excel for your understanding purpose. So this is what it is. Understand? If you understand here, same thing we are applying there also. Understand clearly or not? Okay. Any doubts in this one? Huh? Okay. Next one. What is the next function? Next function. Next one function means next value. Okay. Okay. What is that one? See here. Suppose if you click on this next, you will see the examples as well as what is the value it will return. Clearly, it will tell you that one. See here. Suppose, for example, what is the next value? Next to internet sales. This is the one, right? See here. What it will happen here. For which column it is mentioned? Sum of sales amount. Which one it is here? 3021. Okay, here it is. This is the one. For this particular column, what is the that means here next means in this category, what is the that means it excludes in each and every category, first value it is excluded. Second value onwards, it will start displaying all the values. Understand clearly enough? Is that clear or not? Okay. See here, I'm giving this column. First one is $159. Second one is 3021. Third one is 2862. From second row onwards, it will start giving a values, assigning a values. Understand clearly? Let's see. Next, sum of yeah, rows. See here. Did you see this one? Okay. I'm giving sum of sales is the one. Okay. Maybe you need to here I want to. Did you see? Here. Okay. This one only, right? Sum of profit. Okay. Where is the sum of profit? Okay. See here. Okay. So in this category, these are the values are there. In this one, first one it will exclude. From second value onwards, it will start giving a values. That is called next. You understand or not? You understand or not? In each and every category, same like that. Is that clear or not? Okay. Next. All these are not required to use this one. Okay. See, this is next. This is previous value. Okay. From previous row onwards, it will start giving a values. If you want, you can check it here. Did you see here? Here. That means first value, keep it as a blank. From the next value onwards, it will start giving the same column values. Understand clearly? You understand, right? What I am saying. Only first value, keep it as a blank in each and every category. After that, same column values are started. Understand clear? Same thing. Okay. Next one is rank. All these things are not required. Okay. Next one is running sum. This is very, very important function. What is that? Running sum. That means running sum is running total. What is the meaning of Vijay running total? Suppose, for example, see here. Uh, Suppose, for example, running total. Okay. What is the meaning of running total? Means, see, these are the ID values. These are the ID values. Okay. For these ID values, we need to calculate the running total. How it is calculated? That means, see here, this is the first value, right? This is the first value. What is that one? 1. Okay. Same value. First value, same as it is. From second value onwards, first value plus second value. What is that one? That value will be displayed 4. Here. Here, what is that one? First, see here. Current value plus previous values. Understand or not? That means just you need to calculate the sum for previous values. That is the meaning of running sum. Here, what is the meaning? Here, what result it is getting? 9. Very good. Here, 18. Very good. Here, 33. Here, 53. Right? Understand clearly? This is about running total. That means from this current value plus previous values, whatever result it is getting, that it will show here. Understand clearly or not? Any doubts in this one? Huh? So this is the sum of rows. I will tell you. Of profit, yeah. See here, what is that one? See here, same value it is getting. After adding these two, when it comes to here, what is it one? After adding these two, what this is what the result it is getting. When it comes to here, these three adding whatever result it is there, that it will. This one, previous three, the previous all the four values. Understand clearly now? Understand? Here, like this. If you add all the previous values, that whatever result it is getting, that's what it is showing here. Understand clearly or not? Any doubts in this one? Huh? So like that, running sum. Running sum means running total, it will be calculated. Understand clearly or not? Running sum means running total. Okay. Okay. Understand clearly or not? Okay. So this is about running sum it is. Okay. Next, selected value also we discuss it, right? We already discussed it. Next, the last category of DAX function it is time intelligent functions. Very, very important. Listen carefully. Tomorrow we need to discuss real-time scenarios on DAX functions. Real-time scenarios on DAX functions. Okay. One particular folder I will explain you. Remaining things you need to practice from your end. Understand clearly now? See here. In time intelligent functions, okay, whichever important functions are there, those only we need to discuss. Remaining or not required. Okay. Closing balance month, closing balance quarter, closing balance year, opening balance month, opening balance quarter, opening balance year. Those functions are not required to use it. Leave it about this one. Next one is date add. We already discussed date add in SQL Server. Okay. Same here also. Based on the interval, you can add a specific value to the specific interval in the date column, so that it is called as date add. Here also same thing. But SQL Server date add is different. Power BI DAX function date add is different. I will tell you what is the problem. See here. Suppose this is the date column. See, date add function always we can apply it for date column, not any other related. Understand clearly? Is that clear? Hmm? In new column, I'm applying a dated function. Okay. So what is that one? First, you need to write the date column, comma. Number of intervals. That means either positive value or negative value. Anything is accepted. Okay. Suppose 2, comma. Okay. Whole number you have to give either positive or negative. Anything is accepted. After that, interval must ensure. Suppose I'm having like a month. What is the meaning of this one? What is the meaning of this one? That means from the date column. What is that? From the date column. Okay. 2 will be added. For which part you want to add? Because in the column, there are different categories are there, like a day, month, year, hour, minute, second, like this. Which category you want to add this value that we are mentioning in the interval, right? So that means what is the interval I mentioned? Month. That means this 2 value you need to add to the month in this date column. Understand clear? What result it is getting? Okay, see here. This is December, right? December 2 months if I add means see here. For date related, 2 months if you add to the month from this date, and what date it is getting? Tell me. February. Tell me the date. Not only February, not only month name. What is the date it is? February 1st, 2015, because December is completed. January, February. Next year, January, February. What is the next year? 2015. 2015, February, same day. Okay. First, 2015, it will display. Understand clearly? Not? That's what. Either you can give positive value or negative value. Understand clearly? Now, see here. Did you see here? June. If you add June 2 months means what it is getting? August. August 1st to 2014. That's what it is showing. But Vijay, I have one doubt here. For this December, if you add to this particular one, 2 months means what is that one? 2015, February 1st. Why that is not showing here? Why it is showing as a blank? Because that's what I told you, right? SQL Server data is different. Power BI DAX function data is different. Here, what will happen is after adding what date it is getting, that date must and should be there in this date column. If it is there in this date column, then that particular date will be displayed. Otherwise, it returns as a blank. You understand what I'm saying? After adding what date it is getting, that date must and should be there in this date column. If it is there, it returns that particular. After adding what date it is that it is. If it is not there, it returns as a blank. Suppose, what is this one? After adding, what is the date it is getting? 2015, February 1st. 2015, February 1st is the date is there in this date column. Check it once. Did you see? February 2015 related, any year related date is there? Not there. That's the reason it returns blank here. Suppose, for this one, we can check it. After adding the 2 months means what is the date it is getting? August 1st to 2014. Is that date is there in this date column? Check it once. Did you see? August 1st, 2014. That's the reason this particular one it will return. When it comes to here, what is that one? November 1st to 2013. If add 2 months means what it is getting? January 1st to 2014, right? See here. January 1st to 2014. Is it there? Did you see? That's the reason it returns this one. This one, it is not getting. Why? Because 2015 is not there, right? That's the reason. Here, not only here, and wherever you will see the same thing. Understand clearly? Any doubts in this one? Is that clear or no? Next, what is the next function? Dates between. What is dates? In the name itself, it is there. Dates between means start value and start date and end date we have to keep. In between that, what are all the dates are there? On those dates, it will be calculated something. So next, time intelligent functions also most of the times we can apply it in calculate only. Time intelligent function also we can apply it in calculate function. Let's see how we can apply this. Suppose, for example, I want to calculate Okay. See here, sum of financial sales. Same aggregation in calculate first aggregation only, right? You can write any aggregation, comma, dates between. Dates between financial date. Okay. And after that, what is that one? Start date, comma, end date. What is that one? See here. Twenty thirteen 0101. Okay. Here after that, put comma again 2013 1231. You understand or not? What I'm writing here? First, what is the meaning? I will tell you. See here. In the financial date column, from this date to this date, from this date to this date, what are all the sales is there? Those sales total will be calculated here. Understand or not? You understand the meaning or not? Huh? Feedback. ఇప్పుడు అందరూ అయిపోయా అది అది అయిపోద్దా అది చేసింది ఎందుకంటే నాకు అయిపోద్ది క్లాస్ అయిపోద్ది ఎందుకని హలో సర్లేండి తీసుకుంటారండి సి so feedback team is came so they want to take the feedback. Okay, but not more than 10 minutes. Okay, after completing that one I will continue our class. Okay.
Yeah, good morning, one and all. I'm from the narration management team. Again, I came to take the feedback. So please open the Google Classroom where the feedback link has been shared to you. Your online students, just kindly respond me in the chat box. The feedback link has been shared to you in the Google Classroom. Just kindly share the feedback and concerns till now, whatever the topics has been covered, just can share the feedback. It hardly takes some 3 to 4 minutes. Make sure everyone share your feedback. Please mention your mail ID. It's very, very important. It just as a response in the chat box, online students. The online students just response me in the chat box. Can you see the feedback link in the Google Classroom? Yep, please kindly go through the questionnaire and share the feedbacks and concerns. Thank you very much. So it's hardly takes some 2 to 3 minutes. Just please kindly let me know after sharing your feedback so that can resume the classes back. So make sure everyone shares the feedback. So whatever the topics have been covered right now, just you can share the feedback. If you have any concerns and issues, just you can pin it up in the feedback form. Thank you, Saurav. Thank you, Pankaj. Thank you, Harika, for sharing the valuable feedback. So this is the right time where you can be open and can share the feedbacks and concerns. Thank you, Neeraja. So this feedback link will be visible after half an hour. So make sure everyone share the feedbacks and concerns. So thank you, Divya. Thank you, Neeraja. Thank you, Saurav. So this feedback is very, very important for the faculty as well as for the management. So last month I have taken the feedback. Again, I came to take the feedback from you right now. So the management want to see and hear if you have any issues and concerns about the topics. Thank you, Alam. Thank you, Sai. Please go on and share the feedback. Okay, so your classes can will be resumed right now after 2 minutes. So make sure everyone share your feedbacks and concerns. Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice day.
Okay, let's continue. Okay, see here. You understand this point or not? That means from this date to this date, what are all the sales is that it will be calculate the total and it will give the result. Okay, see here. Suppose for example, see here, this is one. Whether it is correct or not, if you want, you can check it also. How you can check it? Go to the table view. There itself you can filter the call date values and see what result it is getting. See here. What is that one? Which date related one? 2013 related all the dates. Okay. So I have this date. Because I mentioned from January to December, right? In the dates between. So what are all the dates are there? Those only we need to consider here. Understand clearly or not? Clear what is one. Okay. So these are 2013 related one dates. And what is the sales for this particular one? Copy here. You cannot calculate the total. You cannot get it here. So that's the reason copy column. How you need to copy the column? Right click on the column header. There you will see copy, right? Column. If it is a table, you have to select that one and put it in the Excel. Okay. Did you see? Just paste it here. What is the total value? Did you see? 26415255. That's what it is showing here. Understand clearly? Is that clear or not? Any doubts in this one? Huh? Okay. Next one is, what is the next function? Dates in period. What is dates in period will do? I will tell you. Listen carefully. Okay. Same. This function also we can apply it in new measure. Okay. Inside the calculate function only we can apply this one. Let's see. Suppose, for example, what is that one? Dates in period. Okay. See here, sum of financial sales. Okay. And here dates in period. Dates in period. What is that one? Same. Listen carefully, first of all. Okay. In this one, financial date column. First, you have to pass the date column. After that, start date also you can give. What is that? Start date. Suppose I'm giving, if you want to give the start date means, how you can give that one? You understand? Start date means only one date you have to pass it. If I want to pass the column name, what function to give to get that particular single date? You understand my question or not? Here, start date you have to give either static value or column value. Static value you are giving only one value. That is okay. But if you want to give the column value there, then what functions you have to give? What functions you have to use to get the single date? I told you, right? In calendar function, we discuss it or not. Whenever we want to pass the start date, comma, end date, column names, directly we cannot pass the date columns because in the date column, there are so many values, but we require only one date. If you want to get one particular date from the date column, then how to generate that one? What functions we have to use? Min and max functions, right? By using min and max functions only from the date column, you need to get min means minimum date, max means maximum date. One date only it is getting. When you want to pass the date columns means must and should you have to use min and max when you want to get only single date. Understand clearly, enough? Max. Okay. That is the either you can give minimum date also fine. Anything, it's up to you. Okay. I'm giving maximum date and number of intervals is whole numbers, either positive value or negative. Suppose I'm giving -1, comma, year. Interval also you need to pass. Now, what is the meaning of this one? Listen carefully. Here, first date column and in this, see here, what it will happens here, maximum date it will take it here. What is that? Maximum date. From this maximum date to -1 year. What is the meaning of that one? Means from the financial date column, it will pick the maximum date. It will pick the maximum date. From that date to -1 year means, suppose the maximum date is December 2014. -1 year means December. Everyone is thinking that is the one. But that is wrong in dates in period. -1 year meaning is from that maximum date to previous 12 months. Previous 12 months. That means December 2014, November 2014, October 2014, like August, September 2014, August 2014, July 2014, June 2014. Like that, previous 12 months it will consider. Not like 2014 is the December, mean minus 1 year means you are thinking like December 2013. 2013. That is wrong. That means from that day to 12 months previous. Understand clearly? Not? So, yeah. Is that clear or not? Did you see? This is the result. Okay. Let's check it. Test it. Okay. Whether it is correct or not, we need to verify. Go to the table view. See here. Here, what is that maximum date in this date column? What is the maximum date? December 1st, 2014. From this to 12 months means, can we consider these are the 12 months or not? These are the 12 months or not? These are the 12 months or not? Yes. So we need to consider this particular one. And what is the total sales? You need to copy from here and copy the column and put it in the Excel. Did you see? What is that one? Understand clear? Is that clear or not? Any doubts in this one? Huh? This is what? Right. Next one. What is the next function? Dates MTD means the meaning is maximum data. Understand or not? Okay. From the date column, whatever maximum date is there, that related calculation it will run. That means dates MTD means dates month to date. Dates month to date means it will pick whichever you just mentioned the date column. In the date column, whatever maximum date is there, that related calculations it will perform. Understand clearly? See here. Understand or not? What is this one? Dates M. In this, see here, I mentioned calculate function inside the measure only. Okay. See here, calculate sum of sales. What sum of sales will be calculated from this date column? Whatever maximum date is there, that maximum date related total sales only it will calculate. Understand clearly or not? This is what it is showing. Whether it is correct or not, check it once. What is the maximum date here? What is the maximum date? 2014. This is the one. Only you have to select this one. What is the sales for this particular one? Right click on this one, copy the column here and put it in the Excel. What is that one? 11998787.9. Understand clearly? Any doubts in this one? Huh? Is that clear or not? Okay. This is about 870. Next one. Dates QTD means? What is the meaning of dates QTD? Dates quarter to date. That means what is the meaning of this one? You know this, what is the meaning of dates MTT? Similar like this only. What is that one? What this function will returns? Maximum date it will consider. Here, what is this one it will consider here? Maximum quarter. What is the maximum quarter is that? That related say calculation will happen. Understand clearly? You know? You just need inside this function, you just need to pass the date column. In that, which is the maximum quarter is there? That related total sales. This one, what is this one? Dates YTD means maximum year related total sales calculated. These two functions you can try from your end and see the result. Okay. Understand clearly? Next. End of month is also same. Okay. End of month means it will take the maximum date from that particular date column and it will calculate the operations. Understand or not? Let's see. In new measure, in calculate function only, we can apply all these things. End of just you need to pass the date column inside that. What it will pick it here? What it will pick it here? Which one it will pick it? I told you, right? That's the reason when I'm explaining, you are writing something. You're not concentrated here. End of month means what it will pick it? What dates MTD will do? Here also end of month means it will pick the maximum date from the date column and that related total sales it will be calculated. That is the meaning here. End of month, dates MTD, plus other functions also there. Similar. Okay. So here. Did you see these two? Understand clearly? Any doubts in this one? Huh? Is that clear or not? Like, end of quarter, you know, right? Maximum quarter, maximum year. This one also, first date. Okay, from that particular date column, what is the first date means minimum date. Last date means maximum, like that. Understand? Next date, next month, next quarter, next year, like this. I told you, right? These are not required. Opening balance month, closing balance month, those are not required. Next one is, what is the next function? Parallel period. What is parallel period? See, dates in period, parallel period. Same syntax. There is one change in dates in period and parallel, but very important in interview point of time. In interview point of time, both the functions are very, very important. Parallel period, dates in period, both are similar syntax. Only one change will be there. Let's see. Sum of financials. Understand clearly. What is that one? Parallel period. In parallel period, what is that one? Date column, you have to pass it here. What is the date column here? Financial date, comma. See here, same. In dates in period also same, right? Okay. And after that, in dates in period, what is the syntax for dates in period? First date column, comma, start date, comma, number of intervals, comma, intervals. This is the syntax, right? In parallel period, you just remove in dates in period, start date is not there. That's it. If start date, if you remove it, that is called parallel period. That's it. Remaining syntax is same. First date column, okay. After the in dates in period, what is the syntax? Date column, start date, number of intervals, intervals. Okay, 4 parameters. In parallel period, 3 parameters. What is that one? Date column, comma. What is that one? Number of intervals. Because start date won't be there here. Understand clear? Number of intervals, comma, intervals. That's it. Suppose, for example, minus 1 year. Here, what is the meaning of this one? Minus 1 year. What you are thinking before, that is the one it is. Minus. What is the maximum day? What is the maximum year here? What is the maximum year in this date column? 2014. Previous minus 1 year means what is that one? 2013. 2013 related total sales, it will calculate and it will give the result. You understand or not? Here always it will take the maximum year date and it will previous year minus 1 year means previous year. What is that one? 2013. 2013 related total sales will be calculated and it will give the result. Understand clearly? Na? Understand or not? What is that one? Did you see this one and this one? Because in this one also 2013 related calculation, right? So this is also maximum means 2014 minus 1 year means 2013. 2013 related total sales will be calculated. You understand what I'm saying here? Is that clear or not? Any doubts in this one? Huh? Is that clear or not? Huh? Next one. next one is previous day, previous month, previous quarter, and previous year. Same, similar like that. You just need to pass the date column. Start of month. Start of month means minimum. Starting of the month. Minimum quarter, minimum year. These are minimum related one. Understand clearly. Here, did you see here? Total MTD, total QTD, total YTD. Also similar. I will tell you one example for total MTD. See this one. Okay. Sorry. Total MTD. Here the syntax is different. Okay. Total MTD. Inside the total MTD, first you need to calculate aggregation functions. What is that one? Sum of financial sales. You understand or not? In total MTD, total QTD, total YTD, first inside the function aggregation, like similar like a calculate function. Okay, comma. Here you need to pass the date column. What is that one? That's it. Over. Did you see? What is this one? Maximum date related total sales only, right? Did you see total MTD also doing the same thing or not? Understand or not? I told you, right? So these are all the functions. So in time intelligent function, one of the advantages, if you know one category, remaining all the functions are. Understand? Yesterday I shared the document. Did everyone receive the document or not? Huh? Did everyone receive the document or not? Check it in the Google Classroom. Okay. Okay. All the DAX function related, I shared it. Okay. Check it once. Okay. So we can stop it here. Tomorrow, what we need to discuss? Real-time scenarios on DAX function. Once it is completed, what is the next topic? Model. Model view. Once the model view is completed, remaining options that we can discuss. Understand? Okay. Any online team, anyone having any doubts or anything is there? Online team. Anyone having any doubts? So we can stop it here and we'll continue tomorrow. Okay. Bye guys.